Hello. I just wanted to pull a little Buddha card reading for you guys. Some Buddha wisdom. What do we need to know, Spirit? What do we need to know? Oh, that's almost too many. What's our message, Spirit? What's our message? This one popped out here. Om Mani Padme Om. That's what popped out. So this one. The world is a mirror. As your heart is, so is the world. The world is a mirror. As your heart is, so is the world. In other words, if you have a black heart, the world will be black. If you have a light heart, the world will be light. It says yes. Jumped right out of my hand when I said that. And then the next card, both these cards came out. It says, even in the deepest darkness, a single light shines. Right? The world is a mirror. As your heart, so is the world. Right? And then we need to, even in our darkest, deepest night, a single light shines. Even in our darkest moments, we have to remember it's a mirror of our heart. And we have to look for that light. We need to find the love. We need to just find the love. When you find it, breathe it into your heart. Hold it there. Let it sit in openness and grace. Have a great day.